Hi kids, today's story is Two Travelers and a Bear. Two men were traveling together through a forest when suddenly a huge bear appeared from the nearby bush. One of the men, thinking only of his own safety, quickly climbed a tree. The other, unable to fight the fierce bear, threw himself on the ground and lay still, pretending to be dead. He had heard that bears won't bother a dead body. It seemed to be true, for the bear sniffed at the man's head for a while, then, satisfied that he was dead, walked away. The man in the tree climbed down and said, "It looked as if the bear whispered in your ear." "What did he say?" "He said," replied the other, "that it's not wise to stay with a friend who would desert you in a moment of danger." Moral: misfortune is the true test of friendship. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.